molecular structure of alkene. Let us study the molecular structure of ethene. Each carbon atom in ethene is bonded to 3 atoms, 2 hydrogens and 1 carbon atom. The carbon-carbon double bond consists of 1 sigma bond and a pi bond. Each of the carbons in ethene molecule are sp2 hybridized with a bond angle close to 120 degrees. Hence, ethene has a trigonal planar structure with all its atoms lying in one plane. The double bond of ethene is very strong and has a bond energy of 146 kilocalories per mole. The pi bond has a shorter bond length of 1.34 angstroms. Let us visualize the orbital structure of ethene. The carbon atom of ethene has 4 valence electrons in the excited state. The 3 valence electrons of carbon in ethene are present in 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals formed, out of which 1 sp2 hybrid orbitals of 1 carbon atom involves in end-on sp2-sp2 overlap with adjacent sp2 hybrid orbitals of neighboring carbon atoms and thereby forms a sigma bond. The 2 other sp2 hybrid orbitals of carbon overlap with s orbitals of 2 hydrogens and thereby results in the formation of 2 sigma bonds, while the remaining 1 valence electron of each carbon atom lies in the unhybridized p orbital, which are lying perpendicular to the plane of all other atoms. The lateral overlap of these 2 p orbitals results in the formation of pi orbital or a pi bond. The pi orbital consists of an upper lobe and a lower lobe. As the 2 electrons of pi orbitals move freely in the upper and lower lobes, it is said to be a delocalized orbital. The structure of ethene can also be represented as shown.